Hello people with the spirit of learning, welcome back to my video in YouTube. My name is Angga Rizky, and today's video I'm gonna explain to you why did I choose the Android development for this year and for the next year. Well, previously I used to be web developer, and then I become UX designer, and I become front-end developer, and then right now I'm become UI developer. So what is this Angga UI developer? So basically UI developer is the person who's converting the design to the Android development. Or you could also convert the website design from the Adobe XD, Sketch, Photoshop to the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And I'm still new actually in the Android development. Maybe I was starting the Android development less than 1 year, maybe at January 2017. And then I was learning day by day from my friends, from my teachers, from my coworkers, and a lot. And today I'm gonna explain to you that why do you have to choose the Android development if you wanna improve your knowledge from designer or from front-end developer to become the Android developer. But wait, hold on. These reasons based on my experience, and you might have another reason that not really same to me. Okay, so here's the reason. So number one is the open source. So basically Android is the operating system which is open source that you might want to use the Android features in your own application that requires ROOT or root or black gel in the iOS. With the open source, it doesn't mean you have to pay to make something. So basically it's free. If you wanna build the application for people, you could do that with the Android operating system because it's open source and a lot of people are using this Android operating system. And the second is the popularity. A lot of people are using Android. Maybe you can find Android user in anywhere. Maybe you learn Android development in the university or even in the high school. So basically Android is cheap. You don't have to buy iPhone. You are able to use Samsung, Mito, Xiaomi, what else Asus, and then they are using Android. So it's not like the iOS. You have to buy iPhone, and then after that you are able to develop the iOS application. So this is the reason that people are using Android. Okay, number three is about the jobs. So basically, if you are the Android developer, you don't have to be worried that you're not getting a job, because basically a lot of companies are using Android to build their own application for their own product. Okay, let's say you want 10,000 US dollar per month. It's okay as long you are good at the Android development and you don't have to spend a lot of money to buy devices such as MacBook or even iPhone, because if you are using the Android, you are able to use maybe just Windows like Asus or even like Lenovo, and if you're bored, you are able to play a game in your Windows, so you don't have to use macOS like if you want to build the iOS application. And the next one is about the language. So basically Android is using Java Android or Kotlin. So previously if you were in the university, you might learn about the Java, but it's little bit different from the Android. So that's why the reason why you have to choose the Android development, because you're already familiar with the Java, so you just need to learn the Android Java and get used it. And the last one, this is the things that I really like it, if you are using the Android and then you build your own application and then you want to earn money to get a lot of profit from your application that you built it, you are able to use the Google programs called Google AdSense, but the name is a little bit different. It's called Google AdMob, which is advertisement mobile. My friend and I are always get a lot of money from that advertisement. So we build like, the social application like Tinder or even like Hago. I don't know what is that, but it's like the application that's spending a lot of time from the user. Yeah, I just don't know why people are spending a lot of time by playing the mobile, but in the another side, we as a developer, we earn a lot of money from them. It's not like we are evil, no, but we provide something amazing for them, and they are using our application, and the Google will take the benefit of the advertisement and will divide that benefit to us. And I was creating the video about the Google advertisement for the Google AdMob. You might want to learn, so please click here. Okay everyone, so the conclusion is, if you want to learn the Android development, you might have to learn the Java first, and then after that you have to learn Android Java. And I think that you have to learn the basic design of the elements such as drop-down, buttons, input type, image view, and then scroll view, and then horizontal scroll view, and a lot of things. But it doesn't mean you have to stop. It takes time to be great. And I suggest you, if you want to learn the Android development from the basic one, I was learning in the teamtreehouse.com, and I was asking my friend who's working in the big companies in Indonesia. So his name is Robi, and his name is Aldi, and his name is Eka, and they're amazing guy who's always helping me to improve my Android development. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching, and that's all from me, just based on my experience, but you could also share your own experience in the video's comment. Why do you choose the Android development to be your career, or even to be your main priority? Okay everyone, so it's gonna be my 1000th video in the YouTube, so I'm so happy today because this is the video of 1000. And little bit information for you, I'm gonna build something amazing in the next video about the Android Studio for the Android development. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and share with your friends to let me to get the 50k 1000 subscribers by this year. Okay people with the spirit of learning, everyone with the spirit of learning, have a nice day. I'm from Indonesia. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.